My name is Beth Gilliland. I work at Premier Health. I am on the Identity Access Management team. We work with lots of other teams at Premier. We work with the Epic Security team, Customer Support Desk, all the field support folks, the ITA team. We kind of help coordinate a lot of stuff with folks. Our goal is that the clinical people get the clinical stuff they need to do their job. I don't want them worrying about if they have an email address. I want them worrying about what they need to do for this patient. We communicate very well, and we have made so many things more efficient in what we do. So we could take on more work, but at the same time, we can look ahead at the calendar and see what's coming and say, well, I'm going to take that day off. And that's when I get to come here and work in the garden and stuff like that. When I'm not at Premier, I am here on this farm. The house was built in 1879. It's like a dream place to live. It's a lot of work, but this is heaven. I was raised in the country. My mom was her family was a big-time farmer. When you're living out in the country and you become like a teenager, all the other farmers know about you, and so you're going to work. You bale hay, you bale straw, you go help somebody feed their horses when they take time for vacation and stuff. So we have meals a lot, especially this time of year, where everything we're eating was grown right here. Mushrooms, asparagus, potatoes, peas, hamburger, eggs. That's fun when you can say that everything we're eating is from here. Having bees and working with humans means you listen. When you're talking to someone on the phone at work, or you can read a little bit into the email they just sent you, if you just listen a little more, you'll be able to figure out that it's just a communication thing. That's what bees teach you. They teach you to be patient, to think ahead of all the stuff you're going to need, and listen to the bees. If the bees are not happy, it's time to leave. When we moved here in July of 2000, it did not look like this. Coming home from my job then meant putting on my Red Wing steel-toe boots and getting a pair of gloves and working. By doing fencing, getting on tractors and moving dirt from here to there, new siding on, 7 inches at a time with a nail gun. In order to run a farm, it takes a great team. And in order to do my job, it takes a great team. My care lives here, and my care lives here.